Hello and welcome, I'm Art, and today I'll be drawing third form Frieza. I'm not sure if you guys follow me on my Instagram account, but there I had a poll asking what Frieza form people wanted me to draw. And hands down, the one with the most votes was third form Frieza. My guess it's probably because there's not much fan art of him in this form. It's kind of like the forgotten form. But with him winning that poll, here I am today. But I will be honest with you all. I did forget that this form barely lasted one episode. Even though the appearance is very short, the one thing he did do, and the only thing he did really, was just light up Piccolo. And because of this, that's why I'm drawing Frieza doing all those crazy finger beam attacks on poor Piccolo. And because I wanted to emphasize the pure evilness of Frieza in this form, I tried to make sure to add even that much more contrast between the highlights and the shadows, because when doing that, it just makes anyone look that much more evil. And here I'm adding action lines because I want to show that he is currently attacking Piccolo. I wasn't too happy with how that front ki blast was looking, so I decided to change it as if it was being projected at that very moment, so it wasn't just a perfect circle, because I felt I needed to add a little bit more energy and movement to this drawing. And here I'm just adjusting it slightly and adding more action lines to really emphasize that he is projecting this ki blast at this very moment. And here I'm just adding the final bits of highlights to just finish off this drawing. And here is the final completed drawing of Frieza in his third form as he tortures Piccolo. So what do you guys think of this drawing? If you like it, why don't you give it a thumbs up? If you're new here, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss any new drawing that I do. And until the next drawing, guys, goodbye.